Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller's button is not working. Now, the first thing we should do is just turn off the controller. So hold down the PlayStation button right here. And if you do this for about 5 to 10 seconds, the controller will turn off. Now, we want to make sure every button is pressed in. Maybe there's an issue where the button just simply doesn't work. So depending on which button it is, just move it around like this and press it in. And let's do this to every button and just go up and down, pressing everything in except this button right here. Don't press that in, otherwise it's going to turn on the controller. So just press everything in and just tap it repeatedly. And maybe it's stuck, or maybe the sensors are in there are just not working. So once we do that now, we could try turning on our controller. All right. Now another thing that we could do is flip around the controller. And there's a small reset pin right here. Just hold this down with like a toothpick when it's on, and this will reset the controller. So the controller should be reset now, and then we could just try reconnecting it by pressing this button and turning it on. Otherwise, go ahead and try it with a USB cable just like this and press the button a few more times, and this should cause it to turn on. Now, what we could do is go up the top if that doesn't work, and then go to settings. So if you have like a TV remote or something like that, where you can control your PlayStation. If you have it plugged in to your TV, grab your remote and go on down to devices, and then go down to where it says Bluetooth devices right here, and you should be able to see your controller. So I'm just going to use a second controller for this method. So I'm going to turn this controller on, and then I'm going to remove this and forget it from my PlayStation. So let's connect to this one. And this will completely reset it. So the other one doesn't reset it completely. So let's go to this one and select it. So here's my other controller, press options, and I'm going to forget the device. And then I'm going to reconnect it. So maybe there's some sort of connection issue. So you're going to need to do this with a USB cable. That's the quickest way. And then just plug it in just like this. And then press the PlayStation button. And it should reconnect automatically, and that's usually what's going to fix my problems. Or you can just put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. If you do have your second controller, hold down the share button and the PlayStation button right here. It'll put it into the blinking mode, the blue light blinking mode. And then just use your second controller and select it and pair it. Now, if these don't work, what we could do is just go to power and then go to turn off PS4 right here. And unplug it from the wall of it for like a minute and then plug it back in. Strange enough, that does seem like it fixes a lot of issues. But let me know down in the comments if any of these things help fix it without really opening up your controller. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.